Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about the display default size setting in Oppo phone friends. You want to set guys your display default size. So guys how can you set? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So in this video guys we will talk about guys Oppo phone display default size setting. So guys now let's see how to set display default size. Guys click on your phone setting and guys scroll it. Guys click on your personalization setting guys, tap here and guys click on your display size setting guys and scroll it. So as you can see your display size, so as you can see your display default and small size. So you want to set into display small and large and default size. So as we want to set into default size and tap here, then guys your display size will default in your Oppo phone like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to set default display size in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet our next video. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.